Here I am going to share Midjourney promo code you can use right now. Okay, so here is a full fresh code you can use right now and get discount on that. I'll share all code you can use right now. So go to go to the Midjourney and you can use that code. Make sure you can use each code for a limited time, not for each and every time. So here is a for fresh code you can use right now and get discounts. So here we go, and it is working on all country. So let me know if you have any doubt, and if you want more coupon code, comment down below.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of